Hey smart people. So today in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can create a online user system like you can see your online user in your website who is in this time logged in your website and who is online. Okay, so let me show you how you can do this in WordPress with a simple plugin and the CrocoBlox Jet engine, and we will insert it with Elementor. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, we need to install a plugin called WP User Online. What will we do it? It will be create a new database table in the database, and it will be automatic fetch the online user. Then we will just only show the data via the Jet engine and the Elementor. So let's start. So first of all, you need to install this plugin. Then we need to go to the database. In this database, you can use many plugin for managing your database. I using SQL body, so I can search here the user meta. So you can search online, and it will be show you the table that inserted from the plugin. So you can click on it and you can see the data. This is actually the user data who is in this time logged in. So I am logged in. So here is showing my data. If you have many user and logged in, it will be show step by step. So that's it here. Now, what I need to do, you can see this plugin stores some limited data like user type, user ID, user meta, user IP. Like this is some limited, but we wanted to show like this. Here will show a profile photo and first name, last name, but this is not stored here. So we can check it is stored or not. So we can create a query, go to the plugin. You can use Jet Engine. So click on Jet Engine and click on Query Builder, add new query. So we can select from here SQL and AI query, and we need to select the table that is inserted from the plugin. So you can search here or scroll user online, something like that. User online. Yeah. Okay. And you can toggle on the free view mode and you can see on user. Like I'm logged in. I have only one user. That's why showing one. Okay. So here is some limited data. You can see user type, user data, page URL, referral, user ID. Like I can't achieve the profile photos and the first name, last name from this table. So what we need to do? We need to join the user meta table and the plugins table, the plugin inserted table in database. So we need to join both table, then we can achieve our functionality. So for this, we need a SQL query. So be smart, not hard. So we will use the ChatGPT generating the code. So go to the ChatGPT and I already give instruction to generate the code. I will provide you the code in the video description. Okay. So don't worry. So I need to just copy the code and I'll show you how you can customize the code. So what it will be do? Profile photo, first name, last name, and that's it. So it will be inserted. So go to the query. I already inserted here. You can see this will be select the online user ID, online timestamp. It will be pull the first name dot meta value as first name. So why it is pull? Let me show you. So go to the database and you can search here user meta. You can see there is a meta key and meta value. And this is the meta key first name and this is the meta value. So first name dot meta value as first name. So this will be stored like that. You can see. So if you need more, you can just duplicate this and change your meta key and meta value. And this is the label. Okay. So that's it here we need. And for if you add one more field, like you wanted to show the role or something like that, you need to duplicate this three item, or you can modify this code with ChatGPT. This is not a big deal. Okay, so this is the profile photo that I inserted with the user meta. So I create a user meta extra info and inserted a field called media, and here is the profile photo is stored. I uploaded already a profile photo. It will be pulled from the user profile. Okay, so and this is stored in my user meta like that, profile photo, and this is the photo ID. So you can see the profile photo that meta keep profile photo. Or if you think this is hard for you, then you can just customize this code with ChatGPT. It's your need. So this is working for me. So I need to update the query and I need to create a listing. So what I need to do, I need to go Elementor. I created already a listing. So this is the page I think where I inserted it. Okay, let me show you the listing, how it will be works. So this is the listing view, and I'll show you now how you can insert the dynamic data. Let me back. Okay. So first of all, you need to select from the listing setup query builder and select your query that you created with the Jadin with the SQL query. So you can select it. Then you need to go to edit with Elementor. Okay, let me add a preview 400. Nice. Okay, so what I do here, I inserted a box shadow and a padding in this column. So this is the heading. This is the static heading. This is the static circle. That will be just a demo purpose. And here is showing the profile photos, how I show it. So you need to insert a dynamic field and you can select from object field. You can see a new section called query online users. Like this is the section for query and this is the query name online user. So here you can see all the data like user ID, timestamp, first name, last name, profile photo. If you have multiple meta field or meta key, so you can insert it the same way. You can use ChatGPT for customize the code and you can insert it here and it will be automatic show here. Then you can select from here. So in this moment I need to show the profile picture, so I'll select the profile photo and it will be inserted ID. So what is the ID? So this is the ID of the image. So we can filter this output for generating or transferring as image. So we can get image via the ID. So what do we need to do? We need to filter field output, and in this drop down you can select get image by ID. So it will be get the image from the ID. Image size full, you can customize it with your own. So now I'll show another data is first name. So I need to insert same field, dynamic field, and I need to select the first name from this query result. Okay, so this here is the first name. I selected first name, it is showing. I selected the last name, it is showing. So that's it here, and I need to update. And I need to insert it this data in the pages. How you can show it? You can show it by the listing grid. So this is not updating because this is my old data. I need to reload the page, then it will be update the new data. Awesome. It's loaded. Okay, so this is the data. And here is the preview result. We can see the preview. It's showing here like this. But if you have multiple users, then it will be show. You can change this view like as a list view, as a grid view. You can add a switcher that user can switch the user view like that. So that's it here today. Bye.